Is extraordinary an Irish film? Imagine walking through a small Irish town where every corner seems to whisper stories of Irish culture. Now, picture a film that captures that very spirit in a fun and supernatural way. That film is called Extraordinary. Yes, Extraordinary is an Irish film. It was shot across various parts of Ireland, including Kildare, Tullamore, Wicklow, and Dublin. These locations are well known for their scenic beauty and charm, making the film feel very authentic. The movie was made by Irish production companies like Blinder Films, which support Irish filmmakers and their stories. It also received funding from Screen Ireland, an organization that helps promote Irish cinema. The cast and crew are mostly Irish, with actors and producers from Ireland. The story is set in Ireland and mixes Irish culture with supernatural comedy, giving viewers a taste of Irish humor and local traditions. The film first premiered at Irish film festivals, which celebrate Irish talent and stories. Its distribution in Ireland was handled by an Irish company, showing how Irish cinema supports its own. Watching Extraordinary while traveling in Ireland is a great way to see Irish landscapes and small-town life through a different lens. It highlights Ireland's vibrant film industry and the kinds of stories Irish filmmakers are telling today. If you enjoy Irish cinema, this film offers a mix of humor, supernatural fun, and characters that feel very Irish. It's a perfect example of how Irish culture can be showcased through modern film. So yes, Extraordinary is definitely an Irish film, made with Irish talent, set in Irish locations, and celebrating Irish storytelling. It's a fun, lively way to experience Ireland beyond just sightseeing. Watching it can give you a deeper connection to Irish culture and the creative spirit that runs through Irish cinema today.